Now y'all want some of that voodoo shit from '99? I gotta give it to you. Give it to him. And I ain't even trying to rap, but it's a HIT. Understand that, pimpin'? For sure. Yeah, put it down. Check this out. Check. Guess who's back? Nah, I never left. Reppin' Northside to my motherfucking death. Just like the Crips, everything to the left. Bloods on the right, cause we bang in the west. Nigga recognize like Snoop Dogg say. With a mouthpiece like I came from the Bay. I'm an asshole cause of things that I say. And a playgirl got some hoes on the way. A thug model chick, I ain't told you before. 26 but I got a long way to go. I'm bad, you can tell by them things that I do. I need more loot, what would Jeezy do? They love my swag, yes they do. And I'ma give it to them like I'm supposed to do. The first lady is Stockton, yes I might take over the West if I get a green light. Just another HIT. Nigga stop lying, for real. And nigga